Hello friends, so today we can see Visakhapatnam Steel Plant Management Training. So this is the exam pattern: reasoning, English, general awareness, quant, apt, and these disciplines. And the major things will be the quant, reasoning, general awareness, and technical subjects. And coming to the reasoning part, what will be syllabus and what is going to be the weightage? The weightage will be 30 marks, and the topics included are given. They are like, you can read this, you can pause it and read this. These are the important topics we are going to cover in the section. We will be giving the playlist for all the coding, decoding, mirror image, everything. Okay, and coming to the quantitative aptitude, it will be consisting of 30 marks again, and it will be based on how much you think and do. Okay, so these are the basic things you can see. You can just pause it and read it, or else you can have the PDF in the section below. Profit and loss, time and work, and HCF, everything. Okay, and coming to the major topics, you will be covering all the major topics, so you need to study well. And coming to the English, the major thing, English, for the Visakhapatnam Steel Plant, it consists of 20 marks, 20 questions. Okay, it will be easy, you need to just read it. So reading comprehensions and fill in the blanks, error detection, this is active voice, passive voice, everything is easy. And then coming to the general awareness, we will be calling as general studies also. It will be consisting of around 20 marks, and then you need to just read for the last 3 months thoroughly. And coming to the major things, it will be like Indian history, Indian polity, governance, geography, and then history, awards and honors. You need to read everything. Okay, and coming to the technical subjects that you people are studying for the engineers, so there will be 100 questions and will be 100 marks for the technical part. It will be easy, just your core subjects. For civil engineering, metallurgy engineering, and then electrical and electrical, there are the syllabus given. And also for mechanical and mining, this is the syllabus. You can just study this or pause it. And then for the chemical engineering and ceramic engineering, this is the syllabus for them. And coming to the reasoning, you will be having 30 questions, 30 marks, 25 minutes. English, 20 questions, 20 marks and 20 minutes. And for general awareness, 20 questions in 10 minutes. So we will also have the quantitative aptitude, like 30 questions, 30 marks and 25 minutes. And our technical subject, we will be having 100 questions, 100 marks and 60 minutes. So total we will be having 140 minutes, in which we will have 200 questions and with 200 marks. The major thing you are going to score is in your discipline, your own discipline. Like if you are studying in mechanical engineering, you need to score much marks in mechanical engineering. Like 100 marks, you will be getting more than that, right? Also in quant, you can do it fast. And English, the major thing, you need to do it as soon as you see the answer. And for the reasoning also, you need to do it such that you will get good marks. And these are some of the questions, like how many vacancies have been released under Vizag Recruitment 2020. There are 188 vacancies. And what is the exam date? Right now, due to COVID-19, the exam date has been postponed. It will be announced soon. And how long will be the training period for management trainee post? It will be 1 year. And then coming to the next question, like, can finally year students apply? Yeah, like if you got the provisional certificate, you can apply. And then for this, every discipline has different syllabus for Vizag student. Yeah, there will be different disciplines have different syllabus, but the same will be for the aptitude, reasoning, and the English. Okay, and the age limit is for 27 years. And the last question is like, are there any negative marks for Vizag Steel Plant online exam? No, there are no negative marks, so you can keep all the question for answers for all the questions. So thank you guys, all the best, do well. We're giving you all the total syllabus and stuff to prepare. So all the best, do great, God bless you, thank you.